it feels right.
What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having the most blessed day of your entire lives. We're back with another video. I got my boy Max in the background. Luna's around here somewhere. So is Kovu. So are Kovu and Thor. Sorry, I got my words mixed up. I'm back today with a quick video. What we're going to be doing today is we are going to be reacting to the creepiest, scariest security doorbell camera footage that we can find. So I went out, I looked for a whole bunch of footage. Before I get started, I didn't actually watch any of these videos. So I went out and I found a whole bunch of creepy, scary camera footage. I didn't watch any of these yet. So I don't know how scary they're gonna be. I'm hoping they're spookers. Okay, I'm hoping they're real spookers. Right, Maxo? You hoping they're spookers too? Where is, okay, Luna's over there. We're hoping they're spookers because, you know, I like to get scared. I don't like to get scared, but you guys like to see me get scared, so that's how it's gonna work. So before we get started, I need you guys to be a massive favor. I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. And be sure to just destroy the comment section below with what you guys want me to do next in the next video. I have the light set to purple right now. Let me know if you guys want a different color. I have the videos propped up and ready. So without further ado, let's just dive right into it. This video is called Scary Clown Lurking the Neighborhood Caught on Ring Doorbell. Was posted by username MB with 2 subscribers. Oh, and it is definitely, oh, ew, oh my god. This guy's dressed as literally the classic It. That's so scary. Oh, I think he saw somebody. Oh my god. What the f... That's it. It's literally a 31-second clip of a clown going up to their doorbell. Can you imagine a clown walking up to your doorbell? Also, excuse the stash here. I'm trying to do something new with my stash. Alright, let's see this next one. Creepy guy lurking on my porch. Posted by LMS Tactical. Boy, what is that? There's something definitely moving.
Can I help you?
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Hello.
That particular day was nothing but...
What the f is he saying?
Hello. What the hell is that?
Oh, it's a spider.
Oh my god, it's a spider. Oh shit, I thought it was a guy hiding behind the door.
Oh, is that it? It's just a spider?
Spider, can you quit activating my ring?
Oh, it's at least he asked the spider politely. Creepy hot girl bites my Ring doorbell. Okay. Thought we're gonna turn off that music so we don't get a copyright. Oh, she's intentionally... Okay, first of all, what is she doing? Is there still music playing? Oh, there's just music playing. What the f... The f was that? This girl just waiting. What is she doing? Is this like her friend's house? Why would you do this if the person's not your friend? This is weird. Okay. Man caught licking doorbell. Okay. Honestly, I want to get a Ring doorbell or something like that, but seeing these kind of videos makes me not want to get one. I don't want to know the weird shit people do at my door. He's literally just... licking the doorbell. Like he's full on just licking the. What the? Why? Why are you licking the doorbell? He's full on just licking the doorbell. Oh my god. This guy has to be high as. I've never been so uncomfortable watching a video before in my entire life. Why is he just licking it? Okay, no, I can't finish watching this video. Holy shit. Ring camera caught an act of kicking in door, Oakland, Carolina, or California. Oh wow, these two guys, if they are kicking down this door, they have their whole face visible on camera. That is terrible. This guy's keeping... That's his friends keeping watch, sitting on the porch. Well, that was... This next video is another creepy clown caught on a doorbell camera. Oh, he's like literally just like, oh my god. This is... Look at his manner, like the mannerisms. He's just like standing there like a mannequin. Oh my god. Oh my god, he has balloons too. Why do people do this? They like to instill fear in other people. Why? Oh my god. Why? I don't understand why people would do that. Like, why do you like to scare other people like that? This next one is called Dramatic Doorbell Video Shows Violent Crash in Ontario. Wow, okay. I live in Ontario, so this should be interesting. Oh. Oh my god. Holy shit. Let's see that again? Oh. Oh my god. He had no control over that. I mean, like, obviously he was going too fast, but he lost complete control. I hope he's okay. Is he okay? Anybody come out of the car? The car shows up. Is anybody go out and help him? Oh, the guy gets out and... The guy gets out and starts running. Wow. That's insane. This next one's called Attempted Home Invasion Robbery in Covina. Okay, so this guy's knocking on the door. Why would you knock on the door? Oh wow, he's got a... Oh my god, he has a gun. And the other guy has a pipe. This is like... Jesus. Oh my god, they have a puppy.
Yo!
I'm like actually scared.
Yo! Yo! Come on, bro.
I don't know what to say to this. This is insane. Those people literally could have been murdered. That's so fucked up.
Yo, what's up guys, Top 5 Dude back on your...
A notification from the app.
Yo, what's up guys, Top 5 Dude back on your screen. Now in today's video we'll be counting down the top 5 creepiest moments caught
For Rifleman. On September 10th, 2018, in Florida, a rifleman.
Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Today was just a quick video that I wanted to get in for you guys, so you got a little bit of an extra dose of Ali this week. I had nothing to do and I really wanted to film something and just kind of talk to you guys for a bit and kind of go over some videos. I saw a lot of creepy doorbell videos earlier, so I'm like, maybe I can do a reaction to some of them. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys want to see next. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. What's up guys? If you're still watching this right now, thank you. This is a little thing that I wanted to add to the end of my video. Something that's really important to me that I wanted to talk about, and I will probably start talking about a little bit more in my videos. It's just the first video I'm going to talk about it in, and that is climate change. Greenhouse gases are accumulating in the Earth's atmosphere. As a result, what's happening to us is it's going to get hotter, sea levels are going to rise, and a lot of bad stuff is going to happen. I'm really just talking about a little bit of a summary here, but please, I encourage all of you to just do a little bit of research on climate change. I'm not going to go too deep into it in this video right now. I just want to say climate change, it's important. We have to do something about it, and please do your research. I'm doing my research now, okay? I'm trying to do my part. Me and Emma are recycling, we're composting, we're just trying to do our parts, and I hope you guys are doing yours. I love you guys, and thanks for watching.